Shaws have been making Fireclay sinks in Darwen, Lancashire since 1897. The process we use has hardly changed since then. Each one is still finished by hand, with the maker's name stamped underneath. A Shaw's sink should last a lifetime if properly installed and looked after. Every sink is a singular, hard-wearing work of art. We do not provide templates. Your sink is an individual, and we recommend having it to hand to aid the cabinet-making process. Begin by confirming your cabinet is level. Measure the sink height, mark the bottom cutout, and confirm the sink is flush with the top of the cabinet. Construct the support system. Confirm the support is level. Set your Shaw's sink in place. A Shaw's sink can be mounted flush or slightly proud of the surrounding cabinets. A reveal of around 1 inch to 1.5 inches is about right in our view. Make a subtop. Measure from the cabinet face to the back edge of the sink. Mark the cutout location for your Shaw's sink. Use your sink to trace the cut line on the sub-top. Make the front face cutout to sink fit. Mark the cutout locations for your Shaw's sink. Use your sink to trace the cut line on the front face cutout. Install the front face cutout and confirm the sink is level. Prepare the drain hole by tracing a hole cutout. We recommend the drain hole be slightly larger than 3.5 inches to allow for any adjustment. Confirm the sink is level and apply the silicone sealant around the sides and back of the sink. After installing the countertop, apply a thin bead of silicone sealant where the sink meets the countertop and the cabinet. Immediately wipe away any excess sealant. Install the tap and accessories accordingly. You're now ready to enjoy your Shaw's kitchen sink for years to come.